Hi everyone! Have you ever opened your Chrome browser, reach for that one folder where you keep all your important links? You know, work stuff, travel plans, or that 2 a.m. Amazon wish list, and found nothing, just a blank bookmarks bar? It's heart-sinking moment, right? Whether you accidentally hit delete, your browser crashed, or Chrome just decided to have a mid-life crisis and wipe your data. Don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you how to get those Google Chrome's bookmarks back on Windows. We've got a few built-in tricks hidden on the button you probably didn't know exist, and foolproof ultimate solution if things look really bleak. Stick around until the end because Method 5 is basically a time machine for your data. If you ever lost your digital life and managed to save it, drop a comment below. I want to hear your survival stories, and hey, if you like keeping your data safe, hit the subscribe button. Method 1. The Ctrl+Z of bookmarks. Let's start with the I literally just did this fix. If you just deleted a bookmark or a folder 2 seconds ago, don't close Chrome. If the bookmarks menu is still open, you can actually use the universal oops command. Just hit Ctrl+Z. Seriously, sometimes it's that simple. But here is the catch. It only works if you haven't closed the manager or the browser since excellent. If you did, well, let's look at Method 2. Method 2, the Google Sync Savior. Most of us use a Google account to sync our stuff across our phone, laptops, and work computer, right? This is usually your biggest safety net. If your bookmarks are gone on your PC, check your phone. Are they still there? If yes, don't let that phone sync. If you turn off sync on the device that still has the bookmarks, you can export them as an HTML file and then import them back to your PC. It's like manual relay race for your data. Log out, log back in, and let Google do the heavy lifting. Method 3. The local state time machine. Okay. Let's get a bit detective mode. Chrome actually keeps a backup file of your bookmarks on your hard drive, but it's hidden in the upside down of Windows folders. The app data folder, you're looking for two files, bookmarks, the broken one, and bookmarks.bak, the backup. Here's the trick. Close Chrome completely. Rename the current bookmarks file to bookmarks.old, and then rename bookmarks.bak to just bookmarks. When you reopen Chrome, it will think that backup is the original. Just make sure you can see file extensions in your folder settings, or this won't work. Method 4. The ultimate solution. PandaOffice Drecov. Now, what if you cleared your cache, reinstalled Chrome, or maybe even formatted your drive, and that back file is nowhere to be found? This is where the built-in stuff fails, and you need the big gun. Enter PandaOffice Drecov. This is the tool I kept in my digital emergency kit because it finds stuff that Windows forgets. It's super easy to use, even if the toll of data recovery makes you want to hide under your desk. Step 1. Download and scan. Grab Drecov from the official site. The free trial lets you scan your drive to see what's actually recoverable before you commit. Step 2. Find the Chrome folder. Open the software and select your C drive or wherever your OS is installed. Hit Start Scan. Use the search bar to look for that bookmarks file we talked about earlier. Drecov can dig up the deleted version of that file from weeks ago. Preview it, check the box, and hit Recover. Step 3. Save safely important. When you save the recovered file, put it on a USB drive or a different, such as D drive. Don't save it back to C immediately, or you might overwrite the very data you are trying to save. Recap and safety tips. And there you have it. From a simple Ctrl+Z to a deep dive recovery with Drecov, your bookmarks should be back where they belong. Let's do a quick recap. First, Ctrl+Z in the Bookmarks Manager if you're fast. Second, check sync on your other devices. 3. Rename the book file in your app data folder. 4. Use PandaOffice Drecov if the files are deleted or the drive was wimped. Final tip. Every once in a while, go to your Bookmarks manager, click the 3 dots, and export bookmarks. Save the file to the cloud. Future, you'll thank yourself. If this video helped you save your links, give us a like and let me know in the comments which method works for you.